Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have an MFI-certified USB to Lightning cable and a reliable power source. Once done, choose a 5V/2A wall adapter or a USB 3.0 port for best charging speed. Next, plug the cable into the power source, then gently insert the Lightning end into your iPhone or iPad. Orientation is keyed so it only fits one way. This initial sequence prevents data interruptions and ensures optimal charging versus slow trickle from low power. Once connected, decide whether you need charging only or data transfer. Use a USB 3.0 port or a certified adapter for faster file moves. If you connect to a computer, unlock the device and tap Trust to allow access. This authorizes backups, syncs, and file browsing. Make sure to close heavy apps so the device doesn't drain during transfer, and watch the battery icon and transfer progress in Finder or iTunes to confirm speed and completion. If syncing large libraries, expect longer times. To finish, stop active transfers and eject the device from your computer's UI. Once ejected, unplug the Lightning end first, then remove the cable from the power source to avoid surges. Visually inspect both connectors for bent pins or lint. Use a non-metallic pick or compressed air to clear debris. If charging fails, try a different certified cable and adapter, test another outlet or port, and restart the device. These steps isolate cable versus device issues and often resolve common faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.